The maglev's aerodynamic design allows it to reach speeds exceeding 1,000 kilometers per hour.
The alignment on section Gamma 7 seems off by 2 millimeters.
We need to pause the overhead transfer until that's corrected.
Utilizing a high-powered laser, the robotic arm precisely fuses the maglev frame, creating a cascade of bright, controlled sparks.
The precision here is critical for the magnetic shielding.
Indeed, any deviation could affect the levitation stability at high speed.
By cooling the coils to critical temperatures, resistance vanishes, allowing the massive currents seen here to levitate the train.
The ballast looks uneven here near the switch plate.
Yes, I noted that on the tablet. We should schedule realignment for Q3.
There it is. The acceleration curve is holding steady.
Data logged. Everything remains within tolerance.
As the maglev floats, these sensors precisely measure the micro vibrations, ensuring perfect stability even at high speeds.
The maglev maintains incredible stability even as it exceeds 500 kilometers per hour, a testament to the electromagnetic system.
The simulation is now active. We are monitoring the cascade effect on the secondary systems, maintaining full documentation.
The P waves are exceeding the projected threshold here at the third sensor.
Yes, the stress on the core structure is significant, but the system appears stable.
The safety compliance report flags this section in red.
Yes, the tablet shows a consistent failure rate at this junction.
with a flawless design and quiet confidence.
The frequency lines are stable below the threshold now.
Confirmed. The adjustment worked perfectly.
The locking mechanism on this one feels loose.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Let's flag it for adjustment.
The alignment looks good on section 3. Confirmed on your end.
Yes, sensor data is stable. We are clear for launch.
We're seeing a steady increase in velocity.
Power output is stable across the board.
Copy that. Trajectory remains nominal.
A triumph of engineering, the maglev promises to redefine the future of travel.
Okay, this car is less crowded.
Perfect. Let's grab seats by the window.
Did you finish the assignment for Professor Lee?